Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Wix website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on one of my other videos, and that is, how do you restore a previous version of your Wix website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to restore a previous version of your Wix website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you have a lot of VAs that maybe work on your website, and maybe one specific VA went in and destroyed everything, and it's really annoying. So you want to go ahead and recover a previous version of your Wix website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wix account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up my Wix account. So the first thing you're going to need to do is choose the website you want to recover. So you can see I have 3 websites. Just choose the one. So I'll choose this one right here. If you don't see this page for some reason, don't worry. Just click on all sites here on the top left and you'll see a drop down of your website. So I'll choose this one. Once you've done that, you will see the dashboard for that one particular Wix website. And in order to recover a previous version, here on the left side, you're going to see a drop down menu. Scroll down and click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different options, but look for this one here called website settings. It looks kind of like a little folder box. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see a drop down menu. And in order to recover a previous version of your Wix website, just scroll all the way to the bottom until you see this blue button here called restore versions. Okay, guys, so here you're going to see all of the different versions of your backups. So go ahead and choose the one that was saved before the errors appeared on your Wix website or before it was changed. So I'll choose this one right here. All right, once you click there, it's going to show this blue restore button. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, next you get this warning that you want to go ahead and close out any other tabs that are in edit mode for your Wix website builder. Also make sure that you don't have any other VAs or assistants or anybody else working on your editing, and then you'll click on this blue restore button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to recover or restore a previous version of your Wix website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.